Next topic is the beam bridge oscillator. In beam bridge oscillator, we use one of the bridge. By this bridge, we connect a transistor, and here use two transistor. The purpose of this two transistor, one of the transistor is amplified, work as amplifier, and next transistor T1 transistor work as amplifier, T2 transistor work as an inverter. We have already seen we need a 360-degree phase shift. Means this first transistor is provide 180 and next second transistor provide the 180. Means total phase shift obtain a 360. That's why we need a two transistor here. Also written is in this oscillator phase shift is produced by the two transistor. Each transistor is produced 180 degree and second is the each 180 degree is the two transistor means 360 degree obtained. Means this is the generate your variable frequency type of oscillator. Means Wien bridge oscillator is the variable frequency type of oscillator. This is generally used an audio frequency oscillator. This is also called a audio frequency oscillator. Now see the circuit description. This is your 4 ohms of your circuit. Means one of the arms use a series of R1 and C1, and next arm is a R2 and C2 is the parallel combination, and your third arm is a R4 of your resistance, and fourth arm is a one of the R3 resistance. This is form as a bridge. Now this one of the terminal is going inside your transistor T1. Means what now this work as a oscillatory circuit. This is now work as a oscillatory circuit. Now whatever the oscillation is produced by this one is feed to your transistor T1 in the base of your, this is your base of your T1 transistor. Now T1 transistor, what he did, this is amplified and this amplified is feed to your next of your T2 transistor, base of your next of your, means whatever the amplified, this is obtained here collector. Now collector through coupling capacitor pass through this one to connect your next of your transistor. Now this is a two stage of transistor. Two stage, one of the this one, next one is the T2. Two stage of transistor. Means this is the amplified. Now this is a work as inverter. Inverter means 180 degree phase shift obtained by this one transistor. Now again 180 degree obtained here T2 transistor across. Now total phase shift is obtained here. Output is a 360. This is the written here. Means first we focus the circuit description. This is overall conclusion of this one we have already explained here. Means first one is the your T1 transistor is similar fashion we connect, means VC supply is the both combination is common. T1 is the VC supply is common and T2 is the VC supply is common. This is the common emitter. This is the emitter of transistor, common emitter. This is also a common emitter transistor. The circuit description focus upon this one. This is the two stage amplifier. This is the T1 and T2 with RC bridge circuit. This is the bridge circuit. The bridge circuit has the 4 ohms. This is also written is, means each containing components R1 C1 in the series. This is the series, and R2 C2 is the parallel, and R3 and R4 and the other arms. The transistor T1, its biasing components serve as a oscillator, and amplifier, while other transistor T2 biasing networks serve as a inverter. Means this combination, this transistor or this oscillator circuit work as a oscillation produced by this one bridge, and this is bridge is now amplified. What is the oscillation produced by this bridge is amplified by your T1 transistor. This is the description is written here. What is the particular frequency produced by the oscillator? This is the obtained in this relation. This is the oscillatory frequency produced by the your oscillation circuit, means your Wien bridge circuit. The relation is the 1 upon 2 pi under root R1 C1 R2 C2. This two arms decided your particular frequency of this component, decided your particular frequency of oscillation produced by this Wien bridge oscillator, means R1 C1. We considered here in this relation we consider R1 R2 is the one of the values R equal R resistance equal, and C1 C2 is equal to this C value. Now put here R1 R2 is the same, C1 and C2 is the same. That's why we solve this one. The relation is come out. Frequency of oscillation is your Wien Weiss oscillator is the 1 upon 2 pi RC. This one of the relation means particular frequency produced by this one. Now here this is your variable oscillatory circuit. Here not in this circuit diagram be missing the tuning, means B indicate here the tuning purpose. Here means B use a gang tuning, means this is now variable, means C1 and C2 is varying. Why this C1 C2 varies, particular frequency is now varying. This is indicate here the gang tuning, means both simultaneously tuning, means C1 and C2 is varying the value. By this varying we produce a different oscillation frequency. Now to focus upon the operation, first we switch on the supply and your circuit of your bridge circuit is producing a oscillation by the relation of this one. Now next to desired frequency of oscillation is can produced by your varying the two capacitance C1 and C2 simultaneously. This is written here. Also this is indicate the mark. This is indicate mark here. By this arrow mark here means simultaneously vary here. This is also called as gang tuning. These are both varying in nature. This is the written here. Also next this oscillation is fed to the first half transistor. Whatever the oscillation is now produced by this one, now fed to your transistor base of your transistor T1. This is written here. T1 first transistor T1 serves as a amplifier, and after amplifying by T1, this is now fed to your second half transistor T2, serve as a inverter. Inverter means 180 degree only. This is work as inverter means 180 degree only phase shift. Now this is producing by the T2 transistor, means total phase shift now is the obtained is a 360. At the output of T2 transistor, fraction of output energy feedback to the oscillatory circuit. Means after the amplified by this one, this one circuit you observe this one. Now whatever the oscillation is now producing, there is also losses. Now the losses is now compensated by your the output obtained of your T2 transistor is feedback, means now feedback connection to observe this one, feedback to your oscillatory circuit means compensate the losses. This is the written. By this one we generate a sustained oscillation. At the output T2, the fraction of output energy feedback to the oscillatory circuit. This positive feedback is the to meet in the oscillator, and hence undamped oscillation is produced by this one. Okay, next we observe this advantage and disadvantage of your Wien Weiss oscillator. Now the variable type of oscillator. Wien Weiss oscillator is the variable type of oscillator and the better frequency stability. This is circuit the compact size and simple design, and overall gain is high due to we use a 2 transistor. That's why high. Disadvantage, the circuit need a 2 transistor. This one of the disadvantage, and costlier as more component are used. Here we see Wien Weiss oscillator, the 2 transistor used here. That's why costlier is cannot use generator very high frequency. This circuit generally RC phase shift oscillator and Wien Weiss oscillator both are using audio frequency oscillator type. Means we generate a particular frequency in the audio frequency range. These are the topics of your oscillator.